Have you ever wondered how a simple question can spark a chain of thoughts that lead to a creative masterpiece? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of prompt engineering. This intriguing concept is more than just a buzzword in the tech industry. It's a crucial tool in the hands of AI developers and researchers. Firstly, let's unravel the chain of thought prompt. Picture this: a conversation where each statement is a stepping stone leading to the next. In this type of prompt engineering, the AI is guided to follow a specific path of thought, each prompt building upon the previous one. For instance, if we start with the prompt, "Imagine a world without technology," the AI might respond with, "A world without technology would lack many of the conveniences we take for granted." The next prompt in the chain could be "Describe these conveniences," pushing the AI to think deeper and provide a more detailed response. Next on the list is the tree of thought prompt. Here, the AI is presented with a single root prompt that branches out into multiple directions. Think of it as a tree where each branch represents a different path the AI can take. For example, if the root prompt is "Discuss the impact of climate change," the AI could branch out into topics like effects on wildlife, changes in weather patterns, or impact on human health. This type of prompt engineering allows for a wide range of responses and encourages the AI to explore different aspects of a topic. Finally, we come to the interview pattern prompt. This type of prompt engineering mimics a question and answer session, similar to a job interview or a press conference. The AI is asked a series of questions, each designed to extract specific information or insights. For instance, if we want the AI to elaborate on the concept of quantum computing, we might ask, "What is quantum computing?" followed by, "How does it differ from classical computing?" and "What are its potential applications?" In essence, prompt engineering is an art of conversation, a way of guiding artificial intelligence to provide meaningful and insightful responses. Whether it's the logical progression of the chain of thought, the diverse exploration of the tree of thought, or the targeted inquiries of the interview pattern, each type of prompt engineering offers unique ways to engage with AI. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation with an AI, remember that behind each response is a carefully engineered prompt designed to provoke thought and encourage creativity. And who knows, perhaps that simple question you ask could be the spark that ignites a masterpiece.